Hi there, I'm Tamelia. Welcome to TAMIITOPIA, your spot for fiber arts, crafts, and everything in between. Today I'm going to be making this fuzzy bucket hat. Originally I went to Hobby Lobby for one thing and I saw this and I just had to get it. Like, look at the material, it looks so cute. So I'm going to be using a ball of this yarn, a 4mm hook, a stitch marker, and a pair of scissors. We're going to get started by doing the top of the hat, and first you're going to pull it out and make a magic ring. So to make the magic ring, you're going to loop the yarn over your two fingers like this, go underneath with the hook, and then pull it up and make a knot right here. You could also chain 3 and slip stitch in the first one to make a ring and then work into the ring. Now chain 2 and work 6 half double crochets in the magic ring. Now at the final stitch, we are going to close our magic ring. So I pull this last loop up a little bit so it doesn't like pull out, and then pull the short end, and that will close the ring. And then now we are going to end this round. So put your hook back in and you're going to make a slip stitch in that same stitch that you have the stitch marker in, which is the first one. Alrighty, so now we're going to move on to the second row. This is going to be a circle made of increases, so chain 2 and make 2 half double crochets in that first stitch, and also put the stitch marker on there so you don't miss which stitch is the first one. And for this row, you're simply going to put 2 half double crochet in each stitch until the final stitch. And then when you get to the final stitch, you're going to take the stitch marker out and make a slip stitch in that same stitch to connect the round, and then we're going to move on to round 3. To do the third row, you're going to start by chaining 2, then you're going to do an increase in the next stitch. An increase is done by just making 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, and then in the next one after that, you're going to place just 1 half double crochet. So the pattern for this one is you're going to increase, place 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and increase in the next stitch, place 1 half double crochet in the next, and so on until the end. When you get to the last stitch, you're going to take the stitch marker out and then make a slip stitch in there. Now we are at the 4th row. You're going to start it by chaining 2 and then making an increase in the next stitch. Then you are going to place a half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So you have an increase with 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, then in the next stitch you have 1 half double crochet, and the stitch after that 1 half double crochet. And you'll basically repeat that for the entire row. So next you're going to do an increase, and after the increase, a half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So increase, then 2 half double crochet, increase, then 2 half double crochet until the very end. Slip stitch in the first half double crochet to connect it, then we are going to move on to row 5. So you're going to chain 2 and then make an increase by placing 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. And the repeat pattern for row 5 is you're going to make an increase, then half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then repeat that. So I've made my increase, now I'm going to place 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And then you're going to increase again. And then 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And do this until the last stitch. Now slip stitch in the first stitch you made of this row to connect it, and then we're going to move on to row 6. You can see the pattern forming here with every row having 1 more half double crochet than the previous. So next is row 6, you're going to make an increase in the next stitch by placing 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, and then you're going to do 4 half double crochets. After those 4 half double crochets, you are going to increase again, and then you are going to do 4 half double crochets after the increase, and do this until the end. Then slip stitch to join it. So this is the last I'm going to show on camera. It's the same pattern, so I'll put it on the screen. You're just going to increase for row 7 and then make 5 half double crochets. And then after those 5 half double crochets, you are going to increase again and then keep doing the same thing until the end. So you're going to keep going until row 10. You can also fit this on your head or against your other bucket hats to see if the size works for you. So 10 rows is the standard size, but I'm going to make 11 because I want my hair in an afro underneath this, and I don't want it to be too tight, so I'm doing 11 for a looser fit. Done with the top of the hat, and I got 7 point something inches in diameter for making 11 rows. If you make 10 rows, it should come out to around exactly 7 inches. So now we're going to move on to making the side of the hat. For the first row of the side of the hat, we are going to work in the back loop only, so chain 2 and place a half double crochet in the next stitch in only the back loop. It's kind of hard to see because the yarn is fuzzy, but like you can also feel it and tell where the back loop is. I'm placing a stitch marker in my first half double crochet because I just know I'll get lost with how fuzzy this yarn is, and then working one half double crochet in the back loop of each of my stitches until I'm back at the stitch marker. And to end this first row, you're going to place a slip stitch in the first stitch and then chain 2. We're not working in the back loop only anymore, you're just going to work in the entire half double crochet by placing 9 more rows of half double crochets. This is just a regular row, no increases. Now we are almost done. We are at the final step, which is making the brim. To make the brim, we're going to do some increases. So first you're going to chain 2, and this time you're working in the front loop only to have it have that flared effect. So make a half double crochet in the front loop of each of the next 6 stitches. And in the 7th stitch, you're going to make an increase by placing 2 half double crochets in the front loop only, and the usual repeat. So place 1 half double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches, and then place 2 half double crochets in the stitch after that one, and then repeat until the very end. So after that first row you worked in the front loop only, you're going to make 3 more rows doing the same thing. So you're going to place 6 half double crochets and then an increase. No longer in the front loop only, you can place it in the entire stitch. And if you want the brim to be more wavy and ruffled, you can place like 3 half double crochet then an increase, or 4 half double crochet then an increase. So this is pretty much very customizable. You can measure it on your head as you go, and you can see what it's looking like and add more increases if you'd like. And one thing I never showed on camera but you can totally do is to take a smaller hook size and pull those little feather pieces from the inside of the hat and pull them to the outside. It's going to make it look more fuzzy. I hope your hat comes out super cute. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.